Go.
Okay, my name is Sonia Brown, and I'm going to demonstrate to you how to operate a Frigidaire dishwasher. Here are my guests tonight. As I stated before, this is a demonstration on how to operate a Frigidaire dishwasher. First, you would want to load your dishwasher. Put in your dirty dishes, okay? Okay, so once you get your dishwasher loaded, then you want to put in your dish cleaning solution. And I'm using Finish, which is a dishwasher solution. I'm going to take this tablet and put it in here. And you close it up right here. Okay, and so you got to close the dishwasher and make sure that it is closed tight, because you don't want to have any water spills. Okay, once you have your dishwasher loaded and you have your cleaning solution in there, the next step is to decide which of the options you want to wash your dishes on. Heavy, normal, or light wash. I'm going to choose normal wash. And you saw the light came on. There is a green light there on a normal wash. And you can also choose high temperature or dry temperature. I'm going to choose dry temperature. And then I'm going to hit the start button. So now the dishwasher is starting to work. You can hear the noise of the water being displayed inside the dishwasher. And a normal wash usually takes quite a few minutes. So in the meantime, I would just like to say that you can do a lot of other things while your dishwasher is doing its job. Like do some other house cleaning. And this right here is a Frigidaire dishwasher. And here are my guests here. Hopefully they learned some good steps today on how to operate a Frigidaire dishwasher.
I'll be back tomorrow to wash mine.